Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links to the products and resources mentioned in this overview are listed down in the description below. This comparison is based on my personal experiences with both banks. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, really comes down to your specific financial needs. These institutions cater to distinct client bases, each with its own set of requirements. JPMorgan Chase stands as a financial behemoth, offering a vast array of services from personal checking, credit cards, and mortgages to complex commercial banking solutions and loans for small businesses. This breadth of offerings makes it a one-stop shop for individuals and businesses alike. Entrepreneurs looking for adaptable financing options and everyday consumers seeking rewards-packed credit cards will find JPMorgan Chase's extensive product line appealing. Furthermore, its nationwide network of branches, extensive ATM availability, and sophisticated digital banking tools provide unparalleled convenience for both personal and business banking. On the other hand, Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, has carved out a unique niche for itself within the technology and startup ecosystem. They cater primarily to technology companies, venture-backed enterprises, and investors. SVB's specialized industry expertise positions them as a key partner for businesses from early-stage development through growth phases. They offer venture debt, startup-friendly checking accounts, and value-added resources such as networking events and introductions to potential investors. SVB's approach emphasizes personalized service and relationship building within this targeted market segment. Regarding accessibility and fees, JPMorgan Chase boasts a much wider branch network across the United States, complemented by well-established online and mobile banking platforms designed for a broad customer base. While SVB also provides digital banking services, their physical presence is more concentrated around major tech hubs, and their product offerings lean toward sophisticated financial solutions for innovative businesses. If you're running a small tech startup or managing venture capital and require specialized products and a deep network within the startup community, SVB is likely the better choice. Their expertise in this specific niche is invaluable. However, if you prefer a comprehensive suite of banking services, including broader consumer and business offerings, a vast network of physical branches, and a robust lineup of top-tier credit cards, JPMorgan Chase is probably a more suitable fit. Ultimately, the decision between JPMorgan Chase and SVB boils down to your priorities. Do you value SVB's niche tech-centric offerings and personalized approach? Or do you prefer the expansive, mainstream solutions and accessibility provided by JPMorgan Chase?